Hello guys, in this video we're going to be breaking down the steps that we follow in order to set up Intercom Action Automation for workflows inside your sub-account and connect to your Intercom platform, and more importantly execute actions directly from your workflow. Let's get started. Inside your sub-account, you go at App Marketplace. You search for the app, Intercom. There you go. You click on it. You go at Install, Allow and Install. There is a token required in order to get the installation going. So we're going to switch that to our Intercom platform to get it. Inside Intercom, you come here at Get Set Up and we install Messenger. And then we go at integrations, authentication, developer hub. We go on new app, type a name, my token, create app, and we got a token here. So we come here to copy. We make sure it's copied. We switch back, we paste, we continue. We choose the plan, we confirm the plan, we complete the installation, and we get the uninstall. This means that the tool is already connected to our Intercom platform, and now we're able to execute actions directly from the workflow for our Intercom platform. So guys, if you ever have any question, feel free to reach out. We are very dedicated team who's also available 24/7 to answer to all your questions. If you like this video at some point, don't forget to give some thumbs up. If you're new here, hit our subscribe button, and thank you for watching.